This is Niels Bohr with his family around 1890. Christian Bohr, his father, was a professor in physiology, and his mother, Ellen Adler Bohr, was a descendant of a wealthy Jewish family. Later on, Bohr followed his father's steps by becoming a physicist. Bohr's early correspondences with his brother showed he had began making breakthroughs in his theory. On June 12, 1912, Niels Bohr won the Nobel Prize when he was 37 years old, but he did not stop working there. Here is Niels Bohr with his wife and one of his academic advisors, Ernest Rutherford, and his wife. Another advisor was the British physicist J.J. Thomson, who is not in the picture.
Here we have Niels Bohr and Max Planck discussing the Planck relation.
This is the Bohr model, created in 1913. It was also referred to as the Rutherford-Bohr model. It shows the atom as a positively charged nucleus surrounded by electrons.
This is a bill from Denmark with a value of 500 kroner, that equals $88.95 US, in which Niels Bohr appears.
This is a classroom from the Niels Bohr Institute, which teaches astronomy, geophysics, nanophysics, particle physics, quantum physics, and biophysics.
The Niels Bohr Institute also explores the world's substances, the elementary particles to stars and planets, gamma-ray bursts, and distant galaxies in the universe.
In 1912, Bohr married the mother of his 6 children, Margaret Norland. Unfortunately, 2 of his children died, but the rest of them made distinguished careers in various professions. Here we have Niels Bohr with a very close friend, Albert Einstein. These two were the original founders of the quantum theory along with Max Planck. Even though Bohr was a great scientist and his brother Harold achieved great things in mathematics, they were both fans of soccer.
Werner Heisenberg was Niels Bohr's assistant during the 1920s, but because Bohr was of Jewish heritage and Heisenberg was German, their relationship grew cold by the time of the World War II.
Niels Bohr and his family were very close, and he loved his grandchildren. On November 18, 1962, Bohr died in Copenhagen, Denmark.